Just a quick video today, guys. So what I want to talk to you in this video is DJI, as of today, the 25th of January, seem to have launched a new app version 1.2.4. Now this is an upgrade from 1.2.2. However, the interesting thing to note is, as you can see on screen, there is absolutely no release notes as to what this actually does give you, as in an improvement or any additional features. I have seen numerous reports of people with version 1.2.2, both for Android and for iOS, of reports of the app crashing. Not to mention, there has been reports of the screen going black whilst in flight, so maybe this version fixes some of those problems. I've already installed this and flipped through the app, and I can't actually see anything as to what's changed. But anyway, it's always good to be on the latest software versions, just like it is best to be on the latest firmware versions for the actual Mavic Mini and the Mini 2, and of course the Air, because that also uses the DJI Fly app. So what I'm going to do in this video, very quick tutorial, just going to show you how to download the app manually from the DJI site. Once again, as with 1.2.2, this is not yet available on the Google Play Store, so you're going to have to do it manually. So this is how you do that. So first of all, you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to search for DJI Downloads. So we're going to click DJI Download Center, nice and simple. DJI Apps, we're going to click that, and of course DJI Fly. So as you can see, Android version 1.2.4 requires Android 6 or above, gives a load of compatible phones, and then down at the bottom doesn't really give us any release notes as to how to what's changed. So let's go to click the download Android APK. This tutorial, naturally I've already done it. So we're just downloading that file now. There we go, that's downloaded, so we're going to click open. Do you want to install this application? Let's click install. There you go, app installed, and let's open up that app. We are now on the DJI Fly app. We're going to agree to the terms and conditions. We're going to set our permissions to all, only while using the app. Allow photos, initializing the resource data. So that's how you would install the DJI app version 1.2.4. Like I say, what I will do is I will update you as soon as I know what this new release version actually gives you in terms of any benefits or new features. I have reached out to DJI, I'm just yet awaiting a response. So hopefully that will come shortly and I'll be able to tell you guys exactly what does come with the new app. But either way, just to make sure that your warranty is completely void and, you know, to avoid any crashes or anything like that, it's always best, and I would always recommend you always use the latest app versions and the latest firmware for your drones, because at the end of the day, it's a little insurance policy. So, you know, should something happen untoward that you're not expecting and something go wrong with your drone, you know, we don't want to give any sort of manufacturer such as DJI some sort of get out clause to say, well, you're not using the latest versions that we've released. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, really short one, but thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to pass it on for others that might need help, and see you again soon.